Every single one of us has a special purpose for being here. When you discover and embrace that purpose, life becomes a joyful and meaningful journey. But sometimes, life's distractions can lead us astray. We might think we're on the right path, only to realize we've lost our way. Fear not. The universe is always guiding us, sending signals when we drift from our true purpose. If your life feels stuck, it's a sign. It's time to seek new opportunities, to start a fresh chapter. Remember when everything in life seemed to fit perfectly. But now, things might feel out of sync. Relationships, jobs, even the place you call home might not resonate anymore. This is a sign of growth. We evolve, outgrowing certain phases and people. It's a chance to reflect, to decide what truly matters. If you find yourself constantly yearning for something different, listen to that inner voice. It's guiding you towards your true purpose. Sometimes, things fall apart to pave the way for something better. Every setback, every closed door, is a redirection towards the right path. Stress is more than just a feeling. It's a signal. If you're constantly anxious, seeking escape, it's time to reevaluate and make changes. Listen to your body. Unexplained pain might be a sign that you're not aligned with your true purpose. Your emotions are your compass. They guide you, signaling when change is needed. Embrace them, and they'll lead you to a life of fulfillment. Life is an adventure. While challenges are inevitable, constant struggle isn't. Life should flow, like a river. Instead of resisting, learn to go with the flow. Embrace the lessons, cherish the memories, and always be open to the endless possibilities that the universe offers. As you journey through life, remember that every experience, whether good or bad, is a stepping stone towards understanding your true self. Each moment is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to inch closer to that purpose that the universe has set out for you. In times of doubt, when the path seems unclear, take a moment to pause and reflect. Listen to the whispers of your heart, for it knows the way. It's been your compass since the beginning, guiding you through the highs and lows, always pointing towards your destiny. And while the road may sometimes be lined with obstacles, know that they are not there to deter you, but to strengthen your resolve. They are tests of your commitment, resilience, and passion. Embrace them, for they shape the story of your life, adding depth and character to your journey. Surround yourself with positive influences, with people who uplift you, challenge you, and inspire you to be better. Remember, you are the average of the company you keep. Seek out those who resonate with your purpose and share in your vision. But also be kind to yourself. It's okay to not have all the answers. It's okay to feel lost at times. These moments of uncertainty are simply opportunities for introspection, for realigning with your purpose. They are reminders to check in with yourself, to ensure you are still on the path that feels right for you. In the grand tapestry of life, every thread, every color, every twist and turn contributes to the masterpiece that is your story. Celebrate every moment, for each one is a brushstroke on the canvas of your life. And as you move forward, always remember that the universe is by your side, cheering you on, guiding you, and providing you with the tools and experiences you need to fulfill your destiny. Trust in its wisdom, embrace its lessons, and know that you are never alone on this journey. As days turn into nights and seasons change, remember that time is both your ally and teacher. It heals wounds, offers perspective, and provides clarity. With each sunrise, you're presented with a fresh start, a blank page waiting for you to write your next chapter. In the quiet moments, when the world's noise fades away, take the time to connect with your inner self. It's in these moments of stillness that you'll often find the most profound insights and revelations. Your inner voice, often drowned out by the cacophony of daily life, holds the keys to your deepest desires and dreams. But life isn't just about introspection. It's about connection. Reach out to others. Build bridges, forge bonds. Every person you meet has a story to tell, a lesson to teach, and a perspective to share. By opening your heart and mind to others, you enrich your own journey, adding layers of depth and understanding. And while you strive for greatness, remember the importance of gratitude. Celebrate the small victories as much as the monumental achievements. Find joy in the simple pleasures: a child's laughter, the aroma of a freshly brewed cup of coffee, the feeling of a book's pages turning beneath your fingers. These moments, though fleeting, are the threads that weave the fabric of your life. Challenges will come, as they always do, but view them not as setbacks, but as setups for greater comebacks. They are the universe's way of testing your mettle, ensuring you're truly ready for the blessings and opportunities that lie ahead. And when you face these challenges, know that you have a reservoir of strength within you, waiting to be tapped. You've faced storms before and emerged stronger, wiser, and more resilient. This time will be no different. Lastly, as you continue on your path, spread kindness and love wherever you go. The world needs more of it. Your actions, no matter how small, can create ripples of change, touching lives in ways you might never even realize. So, with hope in your heart and dreams in your eyes, stride forward. The next chapter of your life awaits, filled with promise, potential, and endless possibilities. Embrace it with open arms and let your story unfold in all its glory.